Okay guys, so the magic happens here. Here is the master chef. So you need butter, a lot of it, as you can see. You will need chocolate, you will need eggs, you will need this kind of stuff, I don't know the name of that, but something like that. Yeah, you need an air fryer or a an oven, like this one. But it will take a longer time, like 9 minutes to do it on there. So you put the whole chocolate in. Oh, you also need coconut flavor and powdered sugar. Okay, so let's start. 2 eggs. Okay, let's see what you're doing. Amazing. Okay, so you need to separate the egg yolk. I think that was the name, but yeah, as you can see, you need to remove the yellow stuff. Yeah. Forgot his name. Yep. Okay, so again, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. 2? Okay, 2. And following August. Okay. So coconut flavor. How much? 2? Okay. It was gonna be amazing. Okay, so you mix all the yellow part of the egg and all the other flavors. And my mistake, the master chef said on air fryer and on oven are the same time 9 minutes to bake. So yeah, just so you know. Mix everything. Nice. Starts looking better and better. The final product is delicious. Okay, so what are you doing next? Let's see, you put on this and you melt the chocolate with the butter. Okay. Let's see. Okay, everything is melting. Hear that sound, guys. SMR. SMR, what the fuck? It's looking better and better. So we did 70 push-ups, knuckle push-ups. We did after every 10 push-ups we did some shadow boxing, and after every shadow box we did 10 jumping squats. So 70 jumping squats. So now we will do 30 in a row, so we can dessert with this and the souffle after that. Stay till the end to see how it is made. Let's go. Okay, now when it's all melted, you remove it. You still continue doing this. Yep. What the fuck are you doing, you little buddy? He's just playing. Okay, you put the chocolate, the melted chocolate inside, as you can see. Tasty. Okay. You mix all the ingredients, all the flavors, whatever you want to say. Okay. So, after you mix for around 20 seconds, you pour all of it into the forms. If you didn't understand some of the points, you can always rewind the video and check whatever you missed. So, it looks amazing. Okay, you pour everything. Nice. Look at that. Nice. Okay guys, and then you put all those babies inside the fire. It is simpler. What is wrong, little buddy? Okay, please, go away. Okay. And you bake them for around 9 minutes.
Story.
190 degrees. Okay. Let's put it. Okay guys, and one last ingredient. You need a vanilla ice cream, but we didn't find one, so it's vanilla and cocoa. Whatever. Whatever flavor you want, it does the job. Okay, so let's open. Look at that.
Voila.
Okay, let's get it inside. Grab a spoon real quick. Oh, and one more thing. Some powdered sugar on top, just for extra sweetness. Ready? Catch this. Okay, guys, so look at that. Look at that. The final point. Fucking masterpiece. Look at it. It's freaking amazing. Let's try it. I think. But you can eat that before you do the training part. At least 100 push-ups so you can eat one of those. Don't forget to be healthy.